tallied up the scores, so like let's say this one,
Yeah.
do we not have to give this to them?
You still do. You could just say like, you can write a note like final scores count, something like that. Like the kids should know that it doesn't have to add up.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's it. Again, that's if for some reason you feel they deserve a better or worse score. Scoring, so 90 to 100, you probably wouldn't see that in junior, and you would see it in some of the, definitely there's some senior debaters capable of that. That's an excellent speech, near perfection. 80 to 90 is very, very strong speech. Definitely some juniors will be in that category and a lot of the seniors. 70 to 80 is where you're gonna see, that's like the average of the tournament, or like average of the speakers. Those will be kind of maybe more of the lower end seniors and the average juniors. 60 to 70 is a fairly low score. Like anywhere from 50 to 70 is quite low. That like 50 to 70 is reserved for people who are like giving very incomplete speeches. Yeah. Any more questions about that? No? Okay, so moderating and timing.
And then what's happening with the ballots when we're done?
Bring them to me. Just find me.
After each round, or we keep them until we find it?
After each round.
After each round?
Yeah, like basically, well, I'm judging two, so just when I'm out of the judging room, you can just hand them to me.
But where's the go-to place going to be? It's gonna be the music room, not
Oh
really.
yeah, the music room, yeah.
But not really, isn't that room being used for for debating?
Yeah, we don't really have a go-to space.
Okay. Well, I think the front area of where we were,
We're judging, we're having a round there,
are you?
yeah.
Okay.
In the foyer?
So that
Yeah.
foyer, yeah, they don't have enough rooms, unfortunately.
So,
It's okay.
yeah, we're gonna be debating in some not awkward, but some interesting locations today, so.
That's why I think that if we can hurry, then at least we can set up those
Oh, I know.
locations, Frankie.
I know.
Yeah, I know you do, but I'm just saying.
We're not doing one in the washroom, right? That would be awkward.
That would be
And that
Okay.
we,
Just so you guys know, so judging junior public speech will be in room 1. I'll tell you what room 1 means later. Rochelle and Shayna. I don't know yet. But so Rochelle and Shayna, you guys are together for the first round.
Okay.
You don't talk about the marks with each other,
Right.
you don't confer, you'll just be in the same room. You can ask each other questions, but you're marking separately.
and then do we give feedback after?
No,
For what, junior?
no oral feedback. You're judging one of the junior rooms for the first
Okay.
round.
For the whole tournament, no oral feedback?
Yeah, that's right, just written feedback. Like, if a debater asks you a question about something, you can answer it. It's not like, oh, I can't talk, I'm sealed. But like, overall, we're not giving them much feedback. Okay, in the second room, it's gonna be Susan and Christina. Okay, that's the other junior room. In the senior room 1, it's gonna be me and Peggy. And in senior room 2, it's going to be Kathy and Sophie.
Okay, and I was just wondering, do you know where the room, like, are these two portables gonna be junior rooms? Do you know yet?
Well, this would be more, like, we'd only send seniors here,
Okay.
because we wanna keep the juniors in there.
Right,
But for the first round, we're gonna not use this room, because it's not necessary.
Right, we'll be in that room then.
Yeah, so we're
Okay.
gonna, I'll just assign this right now. We'll do junior room 1 will be the music room, so that's Rochelle and Shada. Junior room 2 will be the board room, that's on the second floor.
Mhm.
I'll be judging in the downstairs hallway, the foyer I should say.
Mhm.
And then Mummy, or Kathy and Sophie, you guys will be judging, I think upstairs right before the boardroom, there's kind of a nice space.
Yeah, there is a landing there,
The
yeah.
landing, yeah,
Uh-huh.
second floor landing.
Right, but I just can't see ours bringing a table there.
Oh, there's tables in the boardroom that we can bring right out there.
Okay.